Hi guys! Andito kami ngayon sa may Pambina. Hi, Han! Pick up lang kami ng pang-attach dito sa may Uhaul trak na hiniram na couple para paghila ng kotse. Ay, fine. Nalig. Ito yung nahiram namin. Couple days ago, hindi ko na na-vlog. It's a 20 feet truck. And pakita ko sa inyo mamaya kapag na-attach na yung paghila ng van. Ito siya guys. So, tinulungan kami nung ng Uhaul. Super nice guy. Dito yan sa may Pambina. 1761. Na-attach nila dito. Ito siya. Yung pang-timing. Yung pag-address. There you go.
Yes.
Nice. Let's go.
This one coming from here.
Okay.
That's called the hydraulic brake.
Hydraulic brake. Okay.
Just in case this falls down, which is no way.
Yeah.
This will put the brakes and help you to stop. What is this? Will make sure.
Yes.
So there's a lock inside. Hold the ball.
You need to hold everything in place. Okay.
You see the ball there?
Yes.
So the lock goes in and hold it.
Under and hold. Okay.
Yeah. And always right, go left. Left, go right. Probably X position.
X position. Okay.
Yeah, just in case that will come. Yeah.
Left side.
Yeah.
Oh, it goes there.
Always remember, if you want to release it or anything, the hydraulic brake chain, don't tighten it. Or
Don't tighten it. Okay.
just hold it like this.
This one.
Like this.
Oh, it just goes there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if it's full, not easy to release it.
Okay. Okay.
Hold it like this.
Oh, wait. Yeah. Okay.
That's for extra safety. You can hold it for the arm of the wheel in the back, something.
Oh, okay.
And the arm of the wheel. You must insert this like this. And hold everything.
Okay.
And when you want to add the car, you have to release this.
Okay.
Wheel here and wheel there.
Wheel here and wheel all the way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wheel and wheel there.
The wheel on top of the wheel, okay. I'll put it here. Yeah.
To release it, very easy.
To tighten.
Release for this one.
And then just pull.
Yeah.
Okay. Gotcha. Yes. Oh yeah, you already did, yeah.
That's when you add the car.
That's when after adding the car. Okay.
And it's very easy thing that you want to go left or right or want to do U-turn because it's a long one.
Yes.
Just give it extra space and then go, you know.
Extra
Usually
space.
with your car, usually you go direct, right? This
Yes.
is longer, so give it up to half of it, example, or 3/4, then go left or right.
Go left. Gotcha. Awesome. Thank you.
Thank
for your
you.
help, guys.
Nice to meet you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good day. Awesome. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Hi, Hanko.
Ah,
Ready?
ready.
Itong sa loob ng Uhaul truck. Sorry, dami ng gamit dyan. Niload na kasi itong truck na to. Alright. Now we're ready to go. Ay, ano? Ito yun, kung saan namin kinuha yung trailer. Yan yan. So, yung car wash sa loob is may